Alright, so kettlebell, toss, little hand to eye, grip strength, eccentric, feeling it. But the guys at artofstrength.com, Ropes Gone Wild, have taken this a step further and they've incorporated a pitch grip. So that right there is smooth as a bodybuilder's shaved body. And you do the same move with the catch on the eccentric, but you're getting a lot more grip out of it. You can put water, sand, shot, whatever you want in the kettlebell and vary the weight. Come on guys, how many of these you want me to do? Are we in the hundreds yet? Ooh, look at that grip strength, don't be jealous! I wouldn't suggest doing these with the thumb ring like I saw somebody on the Muscle Fitness staff doing earlier. But that's just me. I'm done with this nonsense.